Oh, you see? You check.
It's a rainbow. Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a new Skittles craft. So this is how you get it. You need Skittles. Here it is. Mommy gives Skittles. Where's the Skittles? Woo! It's so loud. Close your ears.
Close your
Whoa, look, there's yellow. Yellow. And then orange. There's red. And there's I want to eat them. I want to eat them. Yum.
You arrange them in circle. Arrange them in your plate. In circle.
Okay. A circle. Ba't dapat i-arrange ko ng circle? Ba't a-arrange ko siya ng circle?
So you'll be surprised.
Oh, purple. Guys, this is so fun. Guys, you are doing such a not safe things as an adult to help you. The plate is going to change the color.
Maybe. We'll see.
Maybe we're going to make a treat. I forgot.
You will see.
But this is so fun. Like
In circle.
Yes. I know it, I know it. Just push it. So it will be like a regular circle. Almost. And the last one. There. Stick to my hand. Now it's a circle.
Is it complete?
Yep.
Now you have to pour water at the center.
Okay. What will happen?
Fill it up until it reaches
The
the Skittles. And then we have to wait. Careful.
Okay, okay.
Careful. Okay, done.
Okay, let's see what will happen.
We'll see what will happen.
What's happened?
We'll have to wait.
Oh, rainbow, rainbow. Is it rainbow?
Oh, you see? You check.
Is it rainbow? Ooh, now we can see the true colors of it.
What?
This is now purple. Ooh, this is purple. What will happen? We will take up the Skittles and you will see the result. Magical! What kind of experiment is this? We
That-
need soap.
No. For this one, no.
It's
We'll see.
rainbow.
Look.
Oh, it's rainbow! Strong. Let's put some more water.
No. No need for other water.
Because it will, the water will, the color will go away.
Maybe. We'll try later. Okay? We'll try it.
It smells so
Ooh.
nice.
Look at that.
Look, the Skittles have no many colors. Let me see the orange. Oh, there's no color of the orange.
What happened?
The color of them is gone. The colors.
Where's the color now?
Now there is the colors. Now we're gonna put some water and see what happens.
Okay.
Look guys, look. I'll put some water.
What happened?
what happened to it is it
Nothing happened.
Now I'm going to eat the rest of the Skittles.
Yeah.
Did
So yeah, can you taste?
Oh my god.
If it still tastes good.
It's not tasty. Put it there and then let's do another experiment.
What?
Let's do another experiment which is super fun than the other one. Get, mommy. Circle. Tapos nilagyan namin ng tubig, tapos yung color niya nakapunta dito. Nilagyan ko na water, tapos nothing happened.
Ano pala nagpala ng kulay?
Naging red lang siya sa yun.